should have stayed on your knees. Now you'll die on your feet.
Something has changed in filmmaking, and most people don't even realize it yet. In 2026, movies are no longer limited to real cameras or real locations. AI can now create cinematic visuals with the same characters, smooth motion, and realistic detail. The intro you watched was created inside Higgsfield Cinema Studio. This is what makes it truly special. You no longer need to imagine how a scene might turn out. You can choose real cinema cameras and lenses and apply their look directly to your AI film. Camera movement, framing, and shot consistency are no longer complex skills, but simple decisions. Keeping the same characters, creating different angles, and building cinematic scenes is now smooth and efficient. This is not just AI creating content, it's a new, simpler way of filmmaking. Let's now step into the cinema studio and see how it works. Using the link in the description, go to the Higgsfield AI website and sign in. Once logged in, you'll land on the main page where different tools and user-created projects are clearly displayed. Everything is organized and easy to explore. From this dashboard, simply click on Cinema Studio to start creating cinematic content. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to work with. The studio allows you to create both images and videos, and we'll start with image creation. After adding the image prompt, the next step is choosing the visual look by selecting a camera and lens. Different cameras and lenses create different colors, depth, and lighting. Here, you'll see professional cinema cameras and lenses used in real films, which is why the results feel so realistic. I'm selecting the Arri Alexa 35 with a signature prime lens at 50mm. I'll keep the image count to 1 and set the resolution to 4K for the best clarity. With one click on Generate, the final image is created. The image has good cinematic depth, strong colors, and a natural camera view. The lens helps add detail and emotion, making the scene feel more real. Let's try one more prompt, but with a different camera this time. I'm choosing the Panavision DXL2 to see how the look changes. We generate the image and check the result. You can instantly see the difference in style and mood. The image looks dark and cinematic. The camera captures good detail and mood, which makes the scene feel real and raw. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features of Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Sometimes you need the same shot from a different angle, or want to explore more actions in the same scene. That's where the Multishot feature comes in. With one click, it generates a 3x3 grid of shots. Some images show the same scene from new angles, while others create slightly different shots within the same setup. This makes it much easier to keep character consistency and visual continuity. And often, you'll find a shot that works even better for your story. Once you find the one you like, just select it and upscale it to 4K. And you're done. Now let me show you how I created the cinematic video you saw in the intro using Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Start by clicking on the image and selecting Nano Banana Pro. Next, I've added a document file in the description. Simply copy that prompt and paste it here, then replace the scene input placeholder with your own topic. After that, choose the resolution, aspect ratio, and batch size. Make sure to select Unlimited, so no credits are deducted. Finally, click Generate. The system will create a 3x3 grid of images with consistent characters, which you can then use to build your cinematic video. Now take this image and either download it or simply drag and drop it here. Next, add the prompt you'll find in the Google Doc. This prompt lets you extract the 9 images from the grid one by one in a clean way. You only need to type the position using rows and columns, like row 1, column 1, then row 1, column 2, and keep going until all images are extracted. Once everything is extracted, there's no need to download the extracted images. After this, go back to the Cinema Studio. Here, click on the plus icon and choose Image Generation. Now add the extracted grid image here. Use the simple prompt, do not change anything. Next, choose the camera, lens, and focal length. Then select batch size, aspect ratio, and set the resolution to 4K. Finally, click Generate. By repeating this process with different cameras, lenses, and focal lengths, you can recreate all the extracted images with cinematic variety. Just look at the quality of these images. The level of detail, depth, and clarity is honestly incredible. Every frame feels cinematic, almost like it was captured on a real film set with professional gear. Now it's time to turn these images into a video. Go to the Video tab, click the plus icon, and select Image Generations. Choose the images you generated in Cinema Studio. Add a simple prompt. You can use ChatGPT for help if needed. Then select a camera movement such as zoom, orbit, or drone motion. Choose the aspect ratio, video length, and audio settings. Enable slow motion if you want smoother motion. Set the batch size, add an end frame if required, and click Generate. Just like this, you need to create a video for all the images. The dialogue you hear in this video was added directly inside the prompt. In this example, both the start frame and end frame are used, which is very important for a smooth cinematic feel. But the most important part here is movement. You need to choose movements from this section and try different ones. Let me show you 2 different movements using the same prompt, so you can see how much the motion changes the scene. After that, you can use any editing software to put everything together, and your film is ready. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.